Yeah, put me sir. Put a rabbit. Rabbit them there. What's up? What do we do with the rabbit here? Are we telling them a peek at this hour? It's a duck. Oh, it's a duck. What do we do with it? What do we do with the duck?
We are raising grandma.
I hear one this Brandon. Take out one now, Mama touch it. Guys, my shirt nasty. Wait. So them some vlog girl can't see. I said, hold it.
Only by ears.
By the ears?
Yeah. Put your hand under my arm.
Oh.
See. And that is a 55 pound now.
Why you hold him by the ears?
Because if you hold him anyway, I'm going to jump out here.
So what do you do with rabbit? What do you do with them?
Let's show them what you do with them.
Let's shoot them?
Yeah, man.
Look at them for two?
Yeah, go to Scrum Skull.
Square stones? Never know this.
Yeah.
You what?
And those are coming.
And what else? No can boil soup and something?
What do you mean?
Guys, do you know about that?
Rabbit soup.
Really?
Which one?
Serious.
I think I want pet.
No, rabbit soup.
Which one?
Rabbit settings, man.
What them?
You want to hear it?
Wait.
Give me.
Put it on there.
Go. Crazy enough.
Peter. I love Karma Crystal.
Crazy, you know. See, duck you know. High price.
What do we don't know?
You know. We stole the duck set here, man. Set procedure, man. Curry everything.
What the dog do? What the dog good for?
Breeding back.
Breeding bag.
Yeah, man. Build up a breeding back straight.
So come on now. I'm gonna need some money for them there. I'm gonna need some money for them there.
And they're in a yard, man.
Why? Guys, yeah, my family, my other side.
Like you what?
Get out of my now.
Shout out to you guys. Say something. Say vlogger. Say life like. So I'm about to leave right now. So yeah. Brandon, now come follow me. Oh yeah, Brandon is my brother.
Up top.
Now come follow me up at the bus stop. But change my top because it's nasty. I don't know how, but food reach panel. So yeah. Oh.
Bro, need just tell us that I love a chrome skin. Company black man make ear same thing. White girl. Baby setting. Done one setting.
Oh, one settings, Muji. Alright.
Easy done that.
Why am I being so strong?
Exactly.
No, sir, brother, I'm going with that caucus bag of thing.
See, girlfriend, look.
You say I'm girlfriend.
I'm girlfriend, yeah.
I'm girlfriend, are pretty?
I'm my friend.
Are you a friend?
Look, I'm sitting up with the girl, so she's pretty.
Na program I know. You see them one bag of program they up.
So you're not no woman?
That you really that you pick. What everything. That you pick.
I'm trying to baby wake up already, she never did sleep.
Just take out the boot.
Come not chin before the time up.
Chin, we have chin already?
Look how long she already.
Check out the boot. Check out the boot.
Oh, I'm shoes. What you say? What you say?
Yeah, again, man.
I am a dream. Come follow me a bus stop. Come here, don't come back.
You can't bother you there if you're on the road, you know.
Oh, yeah, Peter, where you? You have video.
Like a foreign where I come from.
Bye bye.
Bugger there.
Fair not to touch you.
Or me and if you want to play with me.
Eh?
Next time, yeah? Bye. That's right. The connection is really so real though. Can I squeeze the finger to you there?
No.
You not say bye to vlogger?
Say bye.
I Alright. Because what time them visiting? Oh, Chin come now? Oh guys, I'm going to Spanish Town Hospital because my grandmother is in hospital. What should I have?
Strokes.
Yes, strokes. So we're gonna look for her.
Yeah,
Remember the pampers, them and the wipes. What is that?
No.
Yeah, I get ear and them some of them.
My girl, my
Get
girl.
ear, I get ear.
Yes. You can dance. Sure.
You must have a dance.
Sure.
Hey.
Daddy,
Chase, what is going on to you? What is going on? You're a man now. You're a man.
Yes, we are going with them.
At least I'll show you the next side of my family. Later, Dion. Later. Shall I cry? What shall I cry for? Is it? You want them back again? Yeah. If you remember. You back out again.
Guys, you're going to back in the vlog.
Yes, you know. Come give me a hug. Come. What you ball for?
I mean, she a ball for. Guys, this was my baby. I couldn't go nowhere without her. Put her no clothes. She have to put her something like that.
Cake, now come give me a hug. Cake, now come give me a hug. She really a ball.
I don't belong here no more.
Now come up for you.
Come give me a hug.
Never come back for you.
We soon come. Next time. Later.
Hug. You love your yard. She's your boyfriend.
Vlog girl never see this side of me, so I'm just like if you know say my other people them live over Spanish Town and me live there, so I just come to pay them a visit because I heard that my grandma's in hospital, so I want to ensure that I see her before anything do happen. Guys, I hope you can give me some prize in the comment section. Pray for her, see that she has stroke. I hear that she's responding, but we gotta see how she's actually doing right now. So yeah, Brandon, big up yourself, my G. Catch you again next time. So yeah, we'll go get one bus or one taxi to go in the town. So what's up? Yes, see that word. My jumping in the gully. Jesus! Taxi my take will come up at the same taxi me take to go down. I'm me lucky so. You got my driver, yeah. So we just I want to go to the hospital.
Yes, yeah. Look for mama. Now she will take me. I want them girls that go have baby.
I must see
she go have baby. I should go like this. Yes, I feel like
no one like hospitals.
She don't like hospital. But we are going to be nurse soon, so I forgot like it or not. Me? I've been a nurse.
And they can have a next baby and me have help. You know, I'll be a midwife.
Yeah. Me don't want a boy baby, my baby is done. You can't tell them the pain they are doing. I know more stitch up.
That
1 year older than I am. She's 70. I look a girl. Yes. So. You're not on 80 yet? No, September.
Where may I go straight?
No, December. No, what day did your birthday? Oh. Right here.
Oh, information?
Give me them back.
What is?
Pick up on phone. Pick up on phone.
Why you ever behave like that?
Good. Come to all these things.
Stop it nice. Don't stop embarrassing me. Hello, what's your name? Mackerel sister. Stop it.
Don't do that. Mackerel only bad. Don't do that. Okay, yeah, then from all court and sell them. Sell like a fruit. It is sweet. Come up in the elevator. Come.
We're going to.
We're not frightened.
Don't do that. that was my grandmother. I couldn't really show you much footage because you know people get emotional and so forth. So yeah, so I'll go on.
You want to take communal snaps? Okay.
Yeah,
because you are so.
So yeah, just pray for her, you guys.
Yes.
The nurses are saying that she's actually getting better, so that's a good sign. So
yes, that's for you. Come chill.
I'll put you out.
Bye. We have to know done video. Bye bye. Tired. She said she's tired.
Chin always in the air.
And she know walk and she know do nothing. But she didn't run up and down.
Chin.
Run up and down.
We have a kid, so see you guys in the bus.
Yes.
Be a fly.
Hey.
Buy cigarettes, you can see me about some work.
Yes, you fool.
But the whole that, I would have dance.
And if me no rate, I mean no grow on your people, me no want me no live. I mean no if you will load. If me can't buy a spliff, much less see buy a drinks. Never grow if you go good.